This video, we're going to talk about 18.2, Objective 1, where we use the Pythagorean theorem to find the unknown side of a right triangle. Pythagorean theorem calls legs of the right triangle A and B. The legs are the sides that make up the right angle. The side across from the right angle is called C. It's called the hypotenuse, and it's always the longest side. So A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. And we can use this relationship to solve for unknown sides. In the right triangle, if we know two of the three sides, we can find the third. Going to see in some of these problems that there's some special relationships here where all three sides are going to be whole numbers. And those are called Pythagorean triples. We're going to see a couple of those. There's lots of them. You can look those up if you're interested, but we're going to be using the Pythagorean theorem to actually solve, even if we know it's a Pythagorean triple. So let's go ahead and solve these here, where we're going to fill in this side is 24, this side is unknown, and this side is 25. So we have x squared plus 24 squared is equal to 25 squared. So x squared is going to be 25 squared minus 24 squared. And 25 squared minus 24 squared is 49. And the square root of 49 is 7. So x equals 7. That is one of our Pythagorean triples, a 7, 24, 25 right triangle. If A is 7 and B is 9, 7 squared plus 9 squared is equal to C squared. 49 plus 81 is equal to C squared. 9 plus 81 is 130. So C is going to be the square root of 130. And they want us to round to the nearest thousandth as needed. So we're going to type in square root of 130. Not going to answer an exact answer with a square root in it. And they want us to answer with 11.402. Because that's 7 in the 10,000ths place, we'll round the 1 in the thousandths place to a 2. Next we have A is 5, C is 13, and B is going to be what? So 5 squared plus B squared is equal to 13 squared. B squared is equal to 13 squared minus 5 squared. Is 144. And B is equal to the square root of 144, which is 12. Let's just show that to you with the calculator. And there it is. So this is assumed to be a right angle here. The loading ramp has a C squared equals 10 squared plus 14 squared. So C equals the square root of 10 squared plus 14 squared. And that's going to be about 17.2 feet. Right? Rectangular table, diagonal brace here, going corner to corner. 10 decimeters by 24 decimeters. Then this distance here is the square root of 10 squared plus 24 squared. And it's going to be 26. This is one of those Pythagorean triples again. That's in the ratio of 5 to 12 to 13. I think we dealt with that one right up here already. And we just doubled everything, all the sides. They're still in the same proportion. 5 times 2 was 10. 12 times 2 was 24. 13 times 12 was 26. So that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 18.2 Objective 2. See you for the next video.